Hey, Sammy. So I thought of a thing which is kind of interesting, which is that being able to do something is not the same thing as being able to teach it. Um, so I remember when Danny asked me to teach him Mill's Mess, and I thought, oh, okay, I should be able to teach that. Let me see. So the first thing you do is what I do is I cross my hands, and then I throw one, and I reach under and throw the next one. So it was like 1, 2, and I couldn't figure out what I did next. And I was like, okay, so you cross your hands, you throw one, you throw the other, and then what happens? Like, what am I doing? And I couldn't figure it out. And we got like a camera and we put everything on slow motion, and we still couldn't figure out like what am I doing? It's like 1, 2, 3, and then what happens? What is going on? Um, and then later, years later, somebody finally taught me how to teach it. So one way of teaching it is you have 3 balls and they do 3 different things. So the first ball is the red ball, and it goes back and forth, and now I'm trying to think if it's actually the red ball that's doing this in this pattern. Yes. Okay. So the red ball is going back and forth, and I'm catching it while my hands are crossed, and I'm throwing it while my hands are crossed. And it's on top. So my hands are crossed, and I'm catching it, and it's on top. And then the next ball, so you can see the red ball right now, I'm doing that. I'm catching on top and throwing on top. So then the next ball is the blue ball, and that one you catch while your hands are uncrossed. Bring your hand under with the ball and throw while your hands are crossed. So that looks like this. So catch like this, throw under, catch like this. And so when you put it in the pattern, you're catching while your hands are uncrossed and throwing while your hands are crossed. And then the last one is the green ball, which you're catching while your hands are crossed and throwing while your hands are uncrossed. So that looks like this. So you start with your hands crossed and the green ball underneath, and you throw when your hands are uncrossed. So you can see the green ball, it's getting caught underneath while my hands are crossed and thrown while my hands are uncrossed. So yeah, I don't know. I just thought that was kind of an interesting thing to learn, that I could be able to do something and have no idea how to communicate that to somebody else, and that's a separate skill that I had to learn separately and be taught. So that's interesting.